Well, Durga Puja is most important festival of Bengalis. It is actually all over the India, but it is absolutely in their heart for all Bengalis all over the world. I hate to call it mythology because to me it is not mythology, it is itihasa. So if you look at Durga Puja, we can almost start from Vedas. Rig Vedas and Atharva Veda has mention of Durga Puja. Then we look at Mahabharata. Mahabharata, we see that Yudhishthira and Arjun both did Durga Puja. And then our festivity start from the history of Ram worshipping Durga in an off time. We call it Akal Bodham. And to be honest with you, in Eastern India, the Ramayana that's going on, which is Kirtivash Ramayana, it specifically said that before the attack of Sri Lanka, Ram worshipped Durga Puja in Akal Bodham. Historically, in Chicago, we are always doing Akal Bodham because our Shoshti happens to be always in Friday. This puja started in 1969 for the Bengali community of Chicagoland area, and it evolved continuously from that. So it started from a basement of a church where about 35-40 people gathered all around 200-250 miles radius to in 2019 when 2,000 people celebrated. It is one of the largest convention center in the Midwest, and about 300 people stayed in the hotel to fully celebrate that Durga Puja. That is basically what Durga Puja to Bengali, what is Durga Puja to Chicago community, and what is Durga Puja that we are celebrating.
না ফুড বন্ধ করবে না
আচ্ছা আমরা একটা
ফুড তো তুমি 6:30 তে স্টার্ট
6:30 আছে এখন
6:30 যারা খাওয়ার আছে 6:30 থেকে খেয়ে 7:30টার মধ্যে মোটামুটি 80% হয়ে যায় আর তারপরে ট্রিকলিং করতে থাকবে আর
So Partho,
Namaskar, this is Partho Ghatok. I'm part of the cultural team of 2019 Executive Committee. Very excited about our upcoming Durga Puja, October 4th, 5th and 6th at Convention Renaissance Center. We have worked extremely hard to bring you the best. There are lots and lots of programs including our local artists, local performances. They are really working hard for the past 3 months.
You are way left. I need you here, Baba, center, and I need you to spread out. You don't need to be bunched up in this little tight little gang. Give yourselves rooms when you're doing these moves. We want to be able to see the quick moves, right?
Yeah, burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you.
Hi, this is Costa
Hi, this is Supriyo.
from BHC registration team. So we are very excited to be part of this grand event that BHC has been organizing. A lot of investment of effort and thought, and that is applicable to the registration process as well.
Chicago Durga Puja really is for 4 days, but it is spread over 2 weeks. It starts from Mohalaya. What is Mohalaya? In our faith and our belief, we believe that on the day of Mahalaya, which is the new moon day, Mother Durga, she starts her journey from her husband's place in Kailasha to her parental house in our place. Every village, every town, every household is her place. So she completes this journey on 6 days. So on Mahalaya day, her beginning of the journey, and this journey period, she destroys the biggest evil, devil, Mahishasur, to save her children and save the people of the earth from the torture and treacherous activity of Mahishasur. So on Mahalaya day, we, Chicagoan, we celebrate that day in our Bongo Bhavan by chanting the attributes of Ma Durga through Chandi and through write-ups, stories, storytelling, singing, celebrating, and usually, like any Bengali festivities, lot of good food and lot of addas.
সিংহরাজ দাবাগ্নির মতো সমস্ত রণক্ষেত্রে শত্রু নিধনে গর্বিবার হয়ে উঠল নানা প্রহরণধারিণী দেবী দুর্গা মধুপান করতে করতে মহিষাসুরকে সদম্বে বললে গর্জ গর্জ স্থানাতে মোরা অধুয়া পত্তি মানিয়া ময়াত্তয়ী হঠাত্তৈব গর্জি সন্তা সুদেবতা।
This is a long tradition and this being followed for a long time. For Chicago also, it is a very, very long tradition. The first time in 1985, Libertyville High School, this activity was staged in front of about 600 to 700 people. Many of the participants of that time are possibly gone, and some of them are also departed, and I'm pretty sure they are blessing us and they are celebrating from heaven for this great performance.
So this year we are doing in Renaissance Conference Center right here. You can see the whole area here. We are making it, we are developing stuff. You can see the puja mandap here, all the decoration. You come there, it will be red carpeted area. You go there, you'll see the stage gonna be developing there. This will be our puja area. And if you see further down, the total open area is gonna be converted to an auditorium.